Welcome to the another video series of communication protocol under which we are understanding the different wireless protocol. In this video we are going to study about the cellular network. In your daily life you see around yourself towers, net of cell phones you are using. These are examples of cellular network. Cellular networks are radio networks, means radio waves are being transmitted from those towers. So cellular networks are radio networks distributed over ground through cells, where each cell have fixed point transceiver. Transceiver I am saying to those towers that you see near your locality, known as base transceiver station, and it is a short form of base transceiver station I have written is BTS, because in further slides we are going to write BTS. So keep in mind that BTS stands for base transceiver station. So transceiver means transmission and receiving. It also transmits and receives, both operations done on single tower. So cellular networks are distributed to large geographical areas where user equipment, that is mobile you use, can communicate with each other even they are traveling. So it's very good example that there is nothing to say about your this line, because you all generally use cell phone and you know very well about this function. So this is a cellular network. Coverage area of cellular networks are divided among cells, where each cells have their own transceiver and antenna. Transceiver is the tower, and there are white colored antennas you see generally in tower. Those are antenna. So these are kept in a single cell. It is assumed that they are kept in cell. The shape of cells are assumed to be either hexagonal or squares. So before going to the next slide, first of all, keep in this mind the short forms. BTS stands for base transceiver station, that is tower, which is kept in cell of hexagonal size. BSC, base station controller. BSC will control and connected to BTS. MTSC, mobile telephone switching center. In further video slides you will understand about this MTSC, HLR, VLR, PSTN. So stop the video for a while and write down these short forms, so that in further slides you will be easily getting the points. So in this slide, first of all, see the diagram very carefully. There are two cells. This, as I have already said, that cells are of hexagonal shape or square shape. So in this, these are of hexagonal shape, and each cell contains transceiver, that is a tower here, and antennas, and they are having their individuals transceiver antennas. So I have written each cell has one BTS, that is base transceiver station, and this BTS are connected to MTSC, and MTSC is connected to HLR and VLR. VLR is connected to PSTN. So this is the cellular network, and in architecture we are going to study about their functions, HLR, VLR, and how they operates in the combination way. So in this, first of all, draw the diagram. It is very compulsory to draw that diagram before going to architecture. So talking about cellular architecture, you will having your SIM will definitely have some identity. So this is the subscriber identity module. SIM is inserted in mobile. So SIM is connected to mobile equipment. This is one box. In talking about the second box will have base BTS, that is tower. Suppose let us say it is a tower, BTS, and BTS will interface with base station controller, and it will tell to connect with the MTSC. So base station control will connect or interface with the mobile telephone switching center MTSC. That here in third block, see, mobile services switching center. This base station control is working as an interface between BTS and mobile services switching center. So mobile telephone switching center, that is MTSC, will again act as interface. See, BSC is hidden, okay, and MTSC actually interface. Go to the previous video and see that BSC is hidden, and the only thing that is visible is MTSC. So MTSC is actual interface between the tower and the PSTN, that is public switched telephone network. Okay, then it is interface between HLR, VLR, PSTN and the network. So what is HLR? It is a home location register, and VLR stand for visitor location register. HLR and VLR provides call roaming and routing. Equipment identity register contains all the valid mobiles, and authentication center stores secret keys of all SIM cards. And also that each SIM has its international mobile equipment identity number. When you will go and see behind the SIM card, you will find IMEI number. So concluding about this architecture and working, so BTS, that is base transceiver station, enables all the cellular devices to communicate with the mobile phones situated in the different geographical areas. And BSC coordinates with the MTSC to interface with PSTN, HLR and VLR to route the calls to different BSC through which it is connected. If you are living in Asia or Europe, then you are using GSM. What is GSM? GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. It is 2 marks questions. So stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. It is a digital cellular technology used for transmitting voice and data services you are using in your cell phone. It is a GSM, nothing else. GSM is the name of a standardization group established in 1982 to create a common European telephone standard. Now it is following in all of the nations mostly. Currently, GSM supports more than 1 billion mobile subscribers in more than 210 countries throughout the world. So whatever we are using to connect our cell phone is the GSM. So this was all about your cellular network. In the upcoming videos, we will learn about RFID model, Zigbee and other communication protocol. Thanks for watching this video.